If your OneDrive notifications are getting a little too noisy, or if you want to make sure you're only receiving the alerts that actually matter, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to manage OneDrive notifications step by step, so you can turn alerts on or off, choose the email notifications you want, and keep your OneDrive experience a lot more organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open OneDrive in your web browser. You can do this from any modern browser, whether you're on Windows, Mac, or another device. Once the OneDrive page loads, sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for your files and cloud storage. This is important because the notification settings need to be changed on the correct account. After you're signed in, look for the settings icon. It usually appears as a small gear symbol near the top of the page. Click that gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, click Settings again to enter the main OneDrive settings area. This is where Microsoft keeps the options for appearance, storage, sharing, and notification preferences. Now that you're inside the settings page, look for the Notifications section. Click Notifications to open the available alert options. This is where you can review what kind of updates OneDrive can send you. Depending on your account and setup, you may see options related to file activity, sharing, or email alerts. Once you're on the notification settings screen, take a moment to review everything carefully. If you want fewer alerts, turn notifications off for the ones you don't need. If you want to stay updated on important changes, keep the useful ones turned on. The goal here is to customize OneDrive so it works the way you want, instead of sending constant messages that you never read. You may also see options for email notifications. If so, choose which email alerts you want to receive. For example, you might want to keep notifications for shared files or important account activity, but turn off less useful updates. This is a great way to reduce inbox clutter while still staying informed about the things that matter. After you've made your selections, be sure to save your changes if OneDrive prompts you to do so. In some cases, the settings may update automatically, but it's always a good idea to confirm that your preferences were applied correctly. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage OneDrive notifications. You've opened the settings, found the notifications area, adjusted your alert preferences, and customized your email updates. It only takes a few minutes, but it can make a big difference in keeping your workspace clean and distraction-free. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.